I bet you've seen turtles before. But have you ever seen one that looks like it belongs in Jurassic Park? Let's dive into the wild world of alligator snapping turtles. Alligator snapping turtles are the heaviest freshwater turtles in America. Some can weigh over 200 pounds. Their shells look like spiky dinosaur armor, and those jaws? Strong enough to snap a broomstick in half. Here's something wild. They hunt using a built-in fishing lure. Their tongues wiggle like worms to trick fish into swimming right into their mouths. These turtles have barely changed in 70 million years, making them living fossils with cousins dating back to the dinosaur age. But watch out, these guys can be dangerous if provoked. So next time you see a snapping turtle, remember, you're looking at an ancient, armored survivor with some seriously sneaky moves.